Welcome! In this video, we will give you a quick introduction to the latest features in LeapFrog Works 2.1. The primary focus of this release is improved integration with BIM and CAD engineering software and with the MyLeapFrog ecosystem. Additional improvements have also been made to the designs, cross-sections, and imported mesh functionality, as well as the statistics available throughout LeapFrog Works. The features and functionality mentioned in this video are covered in more detail in the LeapFrog Works online training content on MyLeapFrog. Let's take a look at these new features in LeapFrog Works 2.1. As before, when you open LeapFrog Works, you are presented with a sign-in screen. With LeapFrog Works 2.1, however, when you sign in to use Works, you are also automatically signed in to use View. Use this profile dropdown to select solution kits, access your MyLeapFrog profile, or switch users. To help new users get up and running more quickly, LeapFrog Works 2.1 contains a comprehensive demonstration project that walks you through the process of importing your data, creating models, and generating outputs like cross-sections and shareable online views. To get the most value from the demo project, start by opening the Notes and go from there. When you open a project, you will now be presented with the Select Reference Code window. If you don't use reference codes to track your Works usage, simply untick this box and click OK. If you do use reference codes, click Manage Codes. Here, you can manage your project's reference codes, as well as apply an idle timeout period to help you avoid accidentally incurring user day license charges when you are not using the software. We understand the importance of smoother workflows with BIM and CAD, so LeapFrog Works 2.1 includes object history tracking, IFC support, and better DWG integration. These new export formats provide a convenient way to deliver any Works 3D ground model into a BIM environment. And since BIM workflows are dependent on the provenance of 3D models that are published there, the new integration of object history within the LeapFrog model allows the model owner to audit the model and verify its provenance before publishing to BIM. You can view the history for any object in the Works project by simply right-clicking and going to Properties, and then the History tab. To export your model of interest, simply right-click the model in the project tree and select Export. You can choose to export only the output volumes, or any object available within the model. Use this dropdown to select the export format. When exported as an IFC file, you can specify your model's units. In addition to full model export, it is now also possible to export any designs, sections, points, lines, or surfaces to DWG format for simple delivery into CAD software. Additional improvements have also been made to designs, imported meshes, and cross-sections. Managing designs in LeapFrog Works 2.1 is now even easier, with the ability to multi-select several design files for import, reload new versions of the design when they become available, and move any or all of the design in 3D space. To access the Reload and Move design functionality, simply right-click the design. Any imported design can be easily visualized in the context of the geology. But to perform detailed analysis, like cut and fill volume reports, design meshes may need to be repaired. Self-intersections are a common problem with design meshes. So to address this issue, LeapFrog Works 2.1 offers a new cleanup mesh operation that will help with some design meshes. Simply double-click the affected design object in the project tree and tick the Remove Self-Intersections for Volumes box. The design is now fixed and ready for further use in Works. Just like design meshes, other types of meshes imported into the Meshes folder now have an option for self-intersection removal, as well as an option to reload when they become outdated. The new Reload design and mesh options allow for seamless updates to any dependent models when new designs or meshes become available. Cross-section functionality continues to improve in LeapFrog Works 2.1. Design alignments and other line objects in your project can now be displayed where they pierce the section. Borehole hatching and custom arrangement of color labels are now also supported. In addition to the new features we've just reviewed, there are several functional changes and improvements in LeapFrog Works 2.1 to be aware of. These include changes to the statistics and graphs available throughout Works, improvements to numeric data visualization, changes to the planned borehole feature, changes to flow modeling organization, and addition of Bingham statistics to StereoNets. For more information about any of these features, check out these resources.